Hello and welcome everybody. MMTLP stock today now is going to be about the price predictions that would happen and technical analysis today. Let's start with easy steps. Today we go for 1 day update, okay? And it seems that a lot of things that happens during the movement of the MMTLP, but the thing is that we should take care about also seriously is going to be about the another update, which is not going to be about 1 day update. It's going to be about 1 week update. So since we go for the price that was going here, there's a lot of uh, green lines that happen. So if we see the 1 day update, it's going to be very different because it has here um red candles, red can. Okay, and I think it's going to be this kind of increase that still remains for a period, another period also. Maybe it can reach until to the end of the journey, January 2023. That was This is going to be awesome, and that's what we wanted to explain on MMTLB stock. And good luck.